South Carolina. Okay. What the heck? Thanks. Hello, what is this? Same guy. Australia, Singapore, but use Australia. Yes. Love Moon, hello. Here it's raining, oh my god. Oh, raining, yes, raining here. In the Philippines also it's typhoon. Typhoon. Hi, Glenn. Hello, guys. Filipina, yes, I am. Oh, what's that? Thank you so much. George? Brother, hello. Is that you, George? Is that for me, George? Thank you, George. You shocked me, though. Yeah, it's so hot. Actually, also same in Malaysia, it's hot. But now it's raining, that's why. Even it's raining. Thank you, Georgia. Can I call you George? Because is Georgia like a girl? George. Hi, George. Bether, is it? Hi. Hello, Fax. Hello, guys. George. Can I call you George? Good morning, Palanga. Good morning to you. Zero account, dami account. Use dami account, guys. Thanks for the follow, guys. Good morning, baby brother. Sunday. Why you use dummy account, guys? Use your real account. I'm Daddy. Well, can I call you George? George. George, George more. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. There's the follow. What's for the follow, guys? Smile. Did you smile? Hello. You guys, admin hello. Blackwing, hi. Panggawiwi. What is that? Panggawiwi. Arka, hello. Siya mo, Juicy Moa, hello. Oh, Johnny. Ow. Wow. Thank you. That's wow. Thank you so much.